she is the one who tried to bridge the blockade to Gaza with Global Sumufrotila, Mbak Wanda Hamida.
Oh.
Hello, sister. Assalamualaikum.
Hello. Waalaikumsalam.
Good to see you. I hope you are in a very good conditions, physically and mentally. Sorry that we cannot reach Gaza, but we for sure we're gonna come back again for Gaza. From the land and from the river, from the sea, we're gonna come back again for sure. I wonder their life. How you survive there? Like, is it how's the humanitarian aid? Do you really can reach Gaza, or I mean, I just want to know like how you survive.
Mau berangkat lagi, insya Allah. Tiago sudah mengecek kapal.
Dan Turki dan kemana-mana.
Insya Allah. Bismillah. Genosida tidak berhenti, maka kita harus terus bergerak.
Kita nggak boleh tertipu dengan peace treaty.
Kata siapa itu peace treaty? Ya Allah, tidak sama sekali ya.